everyone, I'm Jaya, Client Services Manager at Lucid IQ. Welcome to the quick and easy video tutorial series on CaseManagerPro. Today's topic is how to create and edit a workflow process. The workflow process combines the section tasks, key dates, and staffing groups with assignments and task triggers to create an automated workflow process. Authorized users can create and edit a workflow process. Click Admin Tools. From the User Options section, select Workflows. Select the record area for which you want to either create or edit a process. For example, in this case, I select Case as I want to create a new process for case records. The Case workflow area opens. To create a process, select New Process from the Actions menu. The new workflow process page opens. The area is automatically set. Press Tab or click on the field to enter a process title. By default, if you wish to display this process for all cases regardless of the case type, select the Default on All Types checkbox, otherwise deselect it. Select the case types you wish to automatically add this process in the Default Types field. In this example, the new process was created from the case area, so only case types will be available in the Default Types field. Enter a sort order and description if applicable. To add rules for the tasks, click the Add icon in the Rules section. From the Task column, select the Workflow section where all the potential tasks have been listed. The Task drop-down list now displays the corresponding tasks added for the Workflow section. Select the required task from the list. Select the type of task. There are three types of tasks: task that requires an action to be executed, tasks that alerts the users are referred to as acknowledgement, and tasks that require a decision to be made. Each task can be assigned to an individual contact or to a role that has been specified in the workflow staffing groups. Add the task trigger by selecting None, Task, Key Date or Date Added. If you do not add a trigger, it means that unless a date is manually entered, the task will not be displayed as due. Task allows you to trigger this task on an existing task in the workflow process. Key Date triggers the task of a case key date, and Date Added triggers the task after the specified duration. Assign the number and units for the task trigger. You can trigger tasks from any number of days, weeks, months, and years. 0 days means a task will be due on the same day as the triggering event. If you have selected Date Added, select whether the task will be triggered before or after the specified duration. If you have selected Task or Key Date, select whether the task or key date will be triggered before or after a task or key date, after another task or key date, after another task or key date is completed, or after a task or key date is past due. Choose the task or key date to use as the trigger in the item field. If you want to add additional tasks to the workflow process, repeat the steps. I have added a series of rules. Click Save or press Ctrl S to save the process information. Click Close to exit the workflow process. You can also edit an existing process. Select the process that you want to edit. Click Edit to start editing. In this case, I edit the list of rules by modifying the trigger. Click Save or press Ctrl S to save the updated process information. Click Close to exit the section. You have successfully completed the quick and easy task of creating and editing a process. Thank you for watching the video. For any further information, please feel free to contact us directly at 214-221-9995 extension 3 or write to us at cmpsupport@lucidiq.com.